How to recover lost Cash App funds. In order to recover lost Cash App funds, first of all, you want to contact the recipient if it was a user to user payment. As Cash App does not reverse accepted payment for scam, report to Cash App support. So what you want to do is the quickest way is to ask the person you send money to for a refund directly. And if they don't respond, you could report the issue through the app, that is profile icon support. Profile, that is, press onto the profile icon and go to support to get help from Cash App support. And if you were scammed or sent to a scammer, you could report the transaction immediately by going to your profile and selecting support and select report a problem and explain the situation to get the cash get the cash keys started. If you link a debit card or a credit card dispute the charge with your bank for unauthorized transactions or fraud as well. And that's how you're going to recover lost Cash App funds. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.